Hi, this is DJ Carroll, founder of EasyPro Property Services. I'm here to tell you today about our recent whiskey fungus roof cleaning project we did for the South Oldham Fire Station in Crestwood, Kentucky. You might be asking, who's this handsome fellow on the roof spraying it down? That's me. Yes, even the boss has to work around here. As you can see, we are utilizing an aerial lift to be able to get to the top of the firehouse. No, the firefighters didn't let us use their ladders, although that would have been a lot of fun. On the ground, we were running 2 rigs with our low pressure, high flow system that pumped out about 18 gallons per minute and utilized our proprietary blend of soaps. Earlier I mentioned that this was a whiskey fungus roof cleaning project. So what the heck is whiskey fungus? No, it doesn't come from letting your bourbon sit on the bar for too long. Whiskey fungus is produced when airborne ethanol meets even the slightest amount of moisture. Why would this fungus be here at the South Oldham Fire Station? Well, Kentucky Artisan Distillery, which most notably produces Jefferson bourbon, is literally right down the road from here. You might have heard the term angel's share. It's the alcohol that evaporates during the aging process. Ethanol vapor escapes the barrel, travels in the air, and then when it meets any sort of moisture at all, like morning dew or humidity, whiskey fungus begins to form. While harmless to humans, whiskey fungus causes staining and damage on the surfaces of which it grows. It damages homes and cars, and most importantly, diminishes property values. If your property suffers from whiskey fungus, give us a call. You can rest assured that you'll be dealing with trained professional technicians that are backed by an unmatched customer service infrastructure. We use professional equipment, professional processes, and achieve professional results every time. For your current or future cleaning needs, make life easy, call a pro.